Hello, families, and welcome to week 8 of school here at Legends Public Charter School. My name is Mr. Jackson, and here is I believe, my second weekly update. What have we been doing in school? Well, we're still working on classroom management. Most of our students are on task. Kindly make sure that you check your students' workbooks every day. We usually have a warm-up that is very, very extensive every day. I believe last week we did not do one just because you're working on having students line up their work. Again, working from left to right from the margins, working top to bottom, spacing out their work, writing legibly. Most students actually can write literally 100 times better than I can. So praise to families and teachers who've been working on that. In terms of topics, we are finishing up with fractions and fractional parts. We've moved into fact families. Students at this point should be able to write a full fact family given 3 numbers. For example, 2, 8, and 10. They should be able to quickly say 2 plus 8 equals 10, 8 plus 2 equals 10, 10 minus 2 equals 8, 10 minus 8 equals 2, and write that down along with a label: addition or adding and or subtraction or subtracting. So that's what we've been working on over the last week and a half to 2 weeks. We still are working on fractions and fractional parts. Some families have asked about where we are in terms of the Saxon math curriculum and lesson flow. For those of you who have checked out your math resources folder, and I will send a link out this week. So we are roughly around lesson 25. We will be covering content from lesson 25 through about, I'm scrolling through here, lesson 35 over this week. We will not be touching on time, temperature, or currency yet. We will not be working on time, temperature, and currency. Please note that I have posted your 4 iReady lessons. Those are not optional. Please do the teacher assign iReady lessons. Those are directly linked to what we've been studying over the last 3 to 4 weeks. I extended the dates for the school city assessments. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 school city assessments. These are not optional. They must be done. If there is any problem accessing the material, please let me know. I know that there is one family that I'm working with on tech access. The absolute last day to get school city assessments done is Thursday, October 27th. So Thursday, October 27th is the last day to get school city assessments done, and the absolute last day to turn in any late or missing or incomplete work to all teachers here in 2nd grade will be Tuesday, the 1st of November. The grading window for the first quarter opens up that Thursday. For math, I will be sending home a packet to the 2 or 3 students who have been not in class. Families, please make sure that your students are not leaving class without permission. Please make sure that their work is done. For those families who do need that packet, this will be a one-time thing. After this, if you're not in class, you're not working, that's your grade. I'm sorry, but most everyone, literally 95% of students out of the 100 are pushing through. Some are struggling, but they're working hard. So what have we been doing? Odd and even numbers, most students are really good on that. We've been working on fractions and fractional parts. Students should know what a numerator and a denominator are. The difference is they should be able to identify a fractional part that's shaded and also talk about the unshaded part. They should be able to draw a shape or take from a set. Say we have 6 dogs, 3 cats, and 2 fish. How many of the fish are fish? It would be 2 out of the total, so that's basic addition. That's pretty much basically it. I will be working next week on another online quiz. I will be, actually, Friday is a day off for you all. I will be actually away, but that doesn't concern you. think that's it. So pretty pleased so far. Overall, if I were to give everything a grade, it would be a C minus. We're shooting for a B, C plus. C means we're making average progress. We're chugging along. We're doing okay. B, we're above average. We're meeting expectations. We're learning. We're moving forward. A, we're crushing it and kicking it out of the park. So for this week sevens, I know this is week 8, but for last week's shoutouts, Bella, absolutely just doing her work, a super big sister helper, advocating for herself, and also Addison. If I have not shouted you out already, Addison, you're coming to school. I know today I kind of held you back because you were one of only 2 students last week to get her work done and get it done well. So kudos to Addison and her family. That's all. I will be sending out an email update before Thursday of this week. That's pushing it late, I know, but I know that I've gotten a lot of feedback that these video updates are really helpful. I feel really weird staring at myself on camera. But thank you very much for the gifts of your children. Please encourage them to work hard. I have been taking pictures of notebooks and I will be sending out exemplars. And also thank you to Anastasia's mom and Anastasia. We had a wonderful parent-teacher conference and we were able to actually review Anastasia's work via Zoom. So it's something that you would like to do in the future with each other. Feel free, set up a Zoom call and go over the day's warm-up.